laundromat on deck 8. So it's big and nice. This is the Discovery Princess, so they have a sink where you can wash some things out. They have high quality speed clean machines. They have a soap dispenser, but you don't have to pay for the soap because they've got it right up there if you need to wash. So everything's free. Still, I'm surprised. They have an ironing board. You just turn the timer, and then you can iron. So they've got 3 ironing boards. They've got places for you to hang up your items after you've ironed them. They have a television, so if you're sitting in here, you can watch. It's a nice setup if you need to have it done. I'm not quite sure what that is. I guess it tells you what it is. So, there you go, and you can enter from both sides. So that's the port side. And, and these are the washing types. And you come out on the starboard side.